Today you will learn how to make this perfect spiral in Adobe Illustrator. You will also learn to create 3D version of this spiral. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First of all, go to Window menu, Toolbars, click Advanced. Now we have all the advanced tool in Adobe Illustrator. Right click Line Segment tool, choose Spiral tool. Now left click and drag on the artboard to draw a simple spiral. This is the default spiral shape. If you click once on the artboard, then you will get this spiral box where you can adjust the segments. You can also create a clockwise spiral. Click OK. So you have a simple spiral in Illustrator. You can increase the stroke size as you want. You can also change the color of this spiral. The issue with this spiral is you can see the difference in gap is increasing here than this segment. So we will create another spiral using this polar grid tool. Press Shift key, left click and drag the cursor to draw polar grid. First of all, we have to remove these crossing lines. So delete this shape, click once on the artboard, remove the value of radial dividers to 0 and click OK. So here we have a simple shape like this. We can increase the number of lines here. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts here. So click once on the artboard, increase the value in Concentric Dividers. Click OK. Let me place it here. Make sure the shape is selected. Zoom the shape by pressing Ctrl+ on your keyboard. Choose Direct Selection tool. Now select the upper part. Basically, we will select these points. Go to Edit, Cut. Go to Edit again. You click Paste in front. Choose Selection tool. Now press arrow key on your keyboard to move the upper part and connect these lines. Let's zoom in to see the lines are connected or not. Press Z for zoom key. Select the area you want to zoom. Let's zoom it again. Make sure you choose Selection tool. If you press arrow keys on your keyboard, you can see we cannot adjust these correctly. So first of all, go to View, uncheck Snap to Pixel. Now drag the upper part while pressing Shift key until you see the purple color intersect text. It means your lines are intersecting, means connecting at this point. Press Ctrl 0 for zoom out. Now you can see we have two lines ending. You can remove any one of them. Let's first remove the upper part line by selecting and press Delete key on your keyboard. In the lower part, when we select the line, the entire lower part is selecting. We will first ungroup them. Deselect all these. Click once on the line. As you can see, these lines are still grouped. Actually, you have to ungroup twice. So let's right click and ungroup again. Deselect all these. Now select the line and press Delete. Follow this line and delete every part of this line. So you can see we have a perfect spiral here. Now we will have to join these parts. As you can see, these are tiny parts of a line. So select all these lines, go to Object, Path, click Join. Now we have a perfect spiral. You can edit this spiral like a normal line. You can round the edges like normal. Let's try to change the line color. Let me give you a trick that professionals use to make design. But make sure to subscribe the channel for amazing graphic design tricks. Select the shape, go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Remove the extrude depth to 0. Increase the perspective angle to 100+. Now rotate the shape like this. Instead of rotating, you can also enter these values. Click OK. So we have our perfect spiral in 3D shape. You can use this shape in different types of graphics. So I hope you have learned how to make this perfect 3D spiral in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help.